HUIDA technology has developed intelligent irrigation system equipped with the water resource management solutions to ensure comprehensive control and management throughout the entire irrigation process, from the irrigation source to the field management. Last year, our irrigation system made significant contribution to the project like Ning An, Thailand, resulting remarkable increase in crop yields, and the farmers' incomes also improves greatly. This year, we remain committed to leverage technology and innovation to further enhance our irrigation system, helping farmers reduce cost and improve efficiency. The 10th Beijing International Irrigation Technology Exhibition will be held at Beijing National Convention Center from March 31st to April 2nd. HUIDA Technology will be waiting for you at booth P316 in Hall E3.